Searching for a way to add a little science to winter? If so, I have 3 ideas and they use ingredients from around the house. How are you, friends? I hope you and the family are safe and well. I'm Jason Lindsay, aka Mr. Science, with Hooked on Science. One of my favorite science experiments is called the instant snowstorm. You and I both know certain ingredients have to come together to create a snowstorm. Those ingredients not happening here in the Hooked on Science lab. First and foremost, we don't have that magical number, 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. That's when a liquid like rain goes from rain or a liquid to a solid like snow. In front of me, I have an old soda bottle. I dumped out the nasty soda and replaced it with packing peanuts. Over here, I have a bicycle pump, and attached to the end of my bicycle pump, I have a stopper with a hole in it. I'm going to increase the air pressure on the inside of my soda bottle. As I do, the soda bottle will start to expand. Eventually, I'm going to remove the stopper, and as I do, the air is going to quickly escape. It will take with it the packing peanuts, creating an instant snowstorm. We'll keep pumping the air on the inside. Remember, kids, before doing any science experiments, have an adult around. Wear the appropriate safety gear. Do not eat or drink your science experiments. 3, 2, 1. There's my instant snowstorm. Still a little bit of flakes or tiny pieces of styrofoam packing peanuts flying throughout the Hooked on Science lab. By all means, you won't be able to create a snowball with it, or it won't be that slippery, but still, it's pretty amazing. 5 for science. There we go. You got it. Let's move to the next one. It's a cold reaction. I have a sandwich bag. Inside of my sandwich bag, I have placed vinegar. I also have baking soda, which I've placed in a paper towel and wrapped it up like a present. I'm going to mix the two together. And when you mix the two together, you get a chemical reaction. We can further describe this chemical reaction by calling it endothermic, meaning it gets cold. Thermic is heat, endo is in. So endothermic, it's going to get cold. The opposite of endothermic is exothermic. It gets hot. So let's go ahead and throw in our baking soda. We're going to mix it up really good. Chemical reactions happening. Oh, it's so cold. It's ice cold. Oh no. There we go. We better zip that back up so we don't create too much of a mess. So yeah, it got cold. Super cold. Wow, pretty cool. Let's do a similar experiment, but instead of using a sandwich bag, we have a bottle, a vase, if you will. Vinegar's on the inside. I took a balloon, stretched it out, filled it up, full of baking soda. Again, we describe matter by its observable properties. We typically use our 5 senses, except for eating. I don't want to eat any of this. We don't eat in science class. I can smell it. Ew, smells like 5th grade boy armpits. Oh no, that's just vinegar. I could touch it. It got cold. I can look at it. I can listen to it, but I don't eat my science experiment. Okay, we're going to mix these 2 ingredients together. We'll get our chemical reaction. That chemical reaction is creating a carbon dioxide gas, a gas. It's filling up the balloon. It filled up our sandwich bag. My red balloon is expanding. Listen to it. It's fizzing. It's bubbling. I touch the sides. It's ice cold because what are we doing? Ice cold science. Pretty cool. You'll discover the free experiment guides to each of these experiments, which helps kids better understand the world around them. Detailed instructions, how you can use those ingredients from around the house to do these 3 experiments at hookedonscience.org. We just discovered from 3 experiments that science is, say it together, awesome!